So guys, if you want a shout out, just check down in my pinned comment to know how to get a shout out, and I'll see you guys in the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss JOVOU. So guys, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video.
Lulu Maje, Daddy go spend the swagger na red. School my low attempted joke. Say, what's my name?
Yeah. So guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add timestamp to your videos. This is a new YouTube feature, like it's everywhere and it's very easy. This is where you can just click on a video, whatever part you want to watch, and this can actually help you in your audience retention, help you get your watch time, your watch hour, and all of that. So if you check down in my description box, you're going to see timestamps. Okay, so let's get into the video. Alright, one thing you need to understand about timestamping is this is a new feature that YouTube had just laid out for everybody, each creator. Okay, so timestamping is like you play a video you want, and then you just click on a time. That's by checking down in the description box, and you just click a time, and then that video plays. The parts you want, any parts of the video you just want to watch, you just click and then boom, that's it. I'm also going to show you guys on my system. So guys, you can see I just searched what is YouTube timestamping. YouTube's sharing feature lets you send videos at a certain time, no matter how long the video is. What it means is that when the person you send it to opens this video, it will skip straight to the timestamp you selected. Okay, so YouTube timestamp, if you go down here, is a link to a part of a video. So rather than waiting for a complete video to run from 0 seconds to the point you are referring to, this enables you to directly link to any second of the video. So guys, basically timestamp is just like you just any part of the video you want, and by the side of the timestamp you set, you can actually put what's that period, like that period of time, what you're going to get from the video. Maybe you're doing a makeup tutorial, or you're doing YouTube tips or something like that. You can just say, okay, from 3 minutes 58 seconds from that point to so point, this is what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about how to add end cards and stuff like that. You get what I'm saying? So that's what timestamp is. And when you want to set your timestamp, start from your intro should be 0.00. If it's not 0.00, guys, nothing, like it won't even set, like your timestamp would not even start. YouTube will not recognize it. So the first timestamp should be 0.00. So if you check my description, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my channel and how I add timestamp. I'm going to edit one of my videos adding my timestamps on it, like timestamp. Let's just get into it. So I'm going to go to my YouTube. This is it. Yeah, you can see this is my channel. This is my YouTube channel on my system. This is how my banner is on my system: beauty, lifestyle, pranks, tips, and vlogs. So yeah, this is my channel, and I'm going to, I hope you guys can see because the lighting from outside is affecting, but I guess you guys can see. Okay, now this is my video. Go to my videos. Okay, these are my videos. Like you can see, I've uploaded a lot of videos, so go subscribe and watch my videos. Alright, so guys, this is the video I uploaded yesterday, and reacting to my old baby pictures. Yeah, so you can see at this point, you can see YouTube has cut the videos into section because I set a timestamp in my description. It's not hard, guys, so you can just click on this and you just go to the points you want to watch. Okay, so if you go down, you can see timestamp. If I click on Am I Daddy's Girl, 5 minutes 20 seconds, and you see, you just go to that point. So guys, please go and watch it today. It's going to be linked up and it's going to be in my description. So yeah, so let me show you guys how to do that. I do it on my phone, but I'm going to show you how to do it on your system. So I'm going to pause this video and I'll go back to another video, go back to my page, probably I won't say edit. Okay, this one, this is a glow video. If you've not seen it, it's also going to be linked up for you guys to watch it. So guys, I'm done. My nails can't really allow me type fast, so this is it. I just set it the way, but as you're doing, you can also play your video. The video is at the corner, okay? You can also play your video, and yeah, so timestamps, you do it this way. Hope you guys can see. Okay, you have to start with 0.00. That's for your intro. Then you can start an introduction, or that should be your write-up if you want. Whatever you want to be by the side, that's what YouTube is going to actually set for you, and YouTube is going to cut it the way you just set it up in your description. Okay, so at this point, if one of your subscribers or anybody clicks on this particular point, it just goes to that part of the video. It can actually help you get a very, very nice, wonderful audience retention. It's really amazing. So I think everyone should start doing that because it's very, very easy. And then at the end, conclusion, where you can tell them to don't forget to subscribe and stuff like that, and then your outro. So when you're done, you just save it. So it's saving and it's safe. Changes save. So that's it, guys. And then you can go back to your stuff. So guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope this video helps you. Now you know how to do your time stamping. It's very, very easy to do that. You just have to take your time and do all of that. So guys, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you've watched the end of the video. And if you're new, I'm Joy, also known as Miss JOVOU. I'm a makeup artist. I do lifestyle, I do vlogs, I do YouTube tips, I do pretty much interesting things. So please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.